sky was quiet, the night was blue. Then every raindrop whispered you. 1,000 memories fell from above, like a storm made out of love.
I walked through shadows, lost and alone, searching for a place I could call home. Then your smile became my guiding light, a little sunrise in the endless night.
And every tear
that touched the ground
turned into hope when you came around. Countless rain of love falling from the sky, washing all my fears, teaching me to fly. Every drop's a promise, every drop's a sign that your heart will always dance with mine. Countless rain of love never fades away, growing like a flower with every yesterday. The rivers remember the words we said, the dreams we planted, the roads we tread. Even when the clouds cover the sun, our story shines like 1,001.
If the world goes dark and the stars disappear, I'll find your voice, I'll find you near. Through every season, through every storm, your love will keep me safe and warm.
If the world goes dark,
And the stars disappear,
I'll find your voice, I'll find you near. Through every season, through every storm, your love will keep me safe and warm.